Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video we are unboxing the Fire TV stick from Amazon. There is nothing too interesting written on the package itself. Let's tear open everything and dive into the main stuff. So first we have a standard 5V 1A charger here. You can directly use your TV's USB slot to power the HDMI stick, but Amazon says you will get best performance if you use the included charger. We have some paperwork here which we'll just throw off as usual. This is a flexible HDMI extension, a handy tool if your TV is wall mounted. A nice long micro USB cable for the charger. And here we have the star of the video, the HDMI stick itself. There is this Amazon logo engraved onto the device itself, which looks sleek and awesome. There is nothing else to look here except the micro USB port on its side. So your typical connection would be this way. And now finally coming to the remote. Let's first put on the provided 2 batteries. And on the remote we have the back, home and the menu buttons. And below those are the forward, rewind, play and pause buttons. The center button is a 4-way button, and top of that is the button used to give voice commands. Now I've connected the Fire TV stick to my TV, and I'll change the source to point to the HDMI stick. It'll ask you for your Wi-Fi details and it'll identify your account automatically. If you want to choose a different account, you can obviously do that too. After that, it'll perform some basic setup and ask you to install any relevant software which you can ignore. Let's try installing Netflix. Once you open the app, you'll be prompted to enter your login details, and after that you can view Netflix directly on your TV. Let's try installing YouTube. And that's YouTube for you. Let's try the voice commands. Just press and hold the microphone button and speak directly into the mic. Here I asked for The Dark Knight Rises, and you can see it easily recognizes a voice, and we can just directly play the movie. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and as usual, have a fantastic day.